Oh, I'm so cold. Oh, I am so cold. So cold, I had to use my teeth to undo the buckles on my backpack. I need to get dry immediately. This is a mountaineering cabin. It's a shelter from the storms for people exploring the mountains here in Alaska. I am so cold. I think I'm gonna bust out my sleeping bag and get it set up in the loft, hop inside for a little bit. I found my bag of hot chocolate. Yay! Oh, my bag is soaked. I hate the rain. Well, it took a while, but I'm feeling warm again. It is getting really late. Oh, it is cold in here. All right, we're gonna make some quesadillas. Oh, it feels so much better when your fingers work.